I know we don't like each other because of same thing, which is the prince. And he disappointed us for making a wrong decision, choosing a tomboy over us. And we all know it's a charm. Therefore, I called us here to put her together and know how to punish her for cheating.
I think we should beat her up.
Exactly what's on my mind. We need to teach that girl a lesson for daring to play a fast one on us.
I'm in support of it. So how do we go about it? Do we go to her house or wait for her by the roadside?
I have been trying to connect to you. Why haven't you visited the palace?
I don't have anything to do there.
But you know you're my chosen bride.
Why?
Ogadi, from the first day I set my eyes on you, my spirit connected to yours. Until this very day, I feel the same way about you.
But that is not the first day you are seeing me in the palace. I'm meeting you alone at palace.
Yes, I know. That wasn't the first day I saw you in the palace, okay? But the truth remains that of all the maidens in the palace, you look more appealing to me. Yes.
I'm not ready for marriage.
Likewise me. I'm not ready for marriage either. Okay? Not until they told me about my dying father.
The king is dying.
Yes.
Jesus.
And
hey.
I need to prepare. I need to prepare to take over the throne. And one of the criteria is for me to get myself a wife.
But Prince, I don't understand. There are so many beautiful girls in this village now. Why me?
Because the beautiful girls in this village don't choose me. I choose who I want to be with. And I've chosen you. Listen to me, Ogadima. Please, for the sake of my dying father, please accept my love. I'm begging you. Don't disappoint me, okay? Please. Okay. Meet my parents, the king and queen of our kingdom, and my sister, Chidimma.
Nedalo, greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. Kudochia na palasa.
My daughter, my favorite Ogene girl. I recognize you.
Sorry,
You're welcome. Going further, permit me to introduce the one after my heart, my chosen bride.
What?
Yes, she is the one I have decided and chosen to be my bride.
Excuse me, you are joking. Of all the beautiful maidens in this community, this is who you choose. For what? A tomboy. For real.
What is wrong with her?
He says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go pray. No got them my strength, no be chasing you. She not there look for trouble, but if you find a trouble, you go pray. No got them man up. I'm good. This woman, strong go pass him man. This one, where they do like man.
My love, listen to me.
Wait, Bagoduba, I don't like this thing. I thought you say your people are in support of this thing, Chime. Is that not what you told me?
Of course they're in support.
My prince, sorry to say, you are a liar.
Come
Yes, because you cannot tell me that your mother and your sister are in support and they are looking at me like that. They are not looking at me as if I'm and Messi, am I smelling?
It's okay. It's okay. You know what? I want you to consider the fact that I am the one getting married to you and not them. They don't matter.
See, they matter. They matter because he had name or call I do me, I don't like them. They matter. How can I have even peace in this house if your family don't like me? I will not have peace now. And then when you can make mistake, well, I can do one mother on one day. I brought police.
Okay, my father, the king of this kingdom, the head of the royal family, is in support of me getting married to you. Okay? Nothing else matters. In fact, I believe my mother and sister will come around eventually.
See, Prince, let me tell you something. See Ogade. If Ogade is a very peaceful, loving person. But I chop on because he pass home. If somebody tries me, I'll give the person woto. If you want to, I will give you war. I'm telling you the truth. Nobody can intimidate Ogade. The person will just
you make me laugh. It's okay. It's okay. You know, when you do these things, you make me laugh. And that is why I love you. Sweetheart, on the second thought, maybe, just maybe it's because of your style. Maybe it's your way of dressing.
My dressing?
Maybe that's why they're skeptical.
Skeptical, you are speaking English for me. Did you not know that I am like this and you are not skeptical? Did you not see me the way? In fact, go and work. The kudo skeptical say. Remember, the skeptical.
Ogade, come.
Did you not know this is how I am? Did you not see my dressing? This is who I am. I cannot pretend for anybody. I cannot even change for anything. It's some skeptical.
Yeah, that's the reason I love you. All right? Come on. It hasn't got into this. Okay, you know what? I'll go in there and talk to my people. But before then, let me drop you off.
Mba, don't bother. Abodana. Use that time and talk to your mother and your sister. Go and discuss with them. I agree. If we are doing this marriage, let's do it. If we are not doing it, let's leave it. As I am like this, I told you, I'm not even ready for marriage. I'm not looking for a husband. I was on my own. Do you understand? Talk to them. I don't agree. I don't used to agree. Go and advise them and let me know you people's conclusion. And yes, after all, I'm not ready for marriage. Marriage on our gum. If I'm no look
for trouble, but if you find trouble, you go put it. No goddamn man, a female kill we. This one a woman, we strong go pass a man. Yeah, this one a woman, where they do like man.
Do I look like a giver? Chimo, awawa. For the guy.
So, Daddy, you think you can play fast on us, eh? By going to the palace with a charm, which you used on the prince that drew his attention to you. You think we don't know?
Use a charm. I don't blame you. You started going to native doctor when you are small. That's why when you see God doing something, call it charm. Charm bogeba. Hey, Ogade, you must be mad. To be thinking that we are mad for using charm to cheat and thinking that you will go scot-free. You can't. I want to understand something. Why did you people block me? Like, what is this nonsense all about?
Look at her head.
Look at this one now.
Are you a man or woman?
I wonder. I sense jealousy. All the kids are drug mad. Why
Hey, this is totally unacceptable by me. I must report this to you. What is this now? Who gave them the right to attack you? Who gave them the right to touch you? Eh? Were they not there when the press chose you? Eh? Who gave them the right to attack you? They don't have that right to attack you. No. I will report them to the Igwe.
Amabucho, I will handle it.
No, you cannot handle this one. I will report them to the Igwe. When did the prince choosing a wife become a do-or-die affair in this village? Those desperate, stupid girls had the guts to touch you. Don't worry, they will hear from me. They will hear from me now.
Calm down, Buto. This one is too much. Why are you shouting?
Look at her face. You're asking me why I'm shouting. Look at her face. Those desperate girls, stupid girls, had the guts to touch my daughter.
laughing? Kill away, what you go? Oh, give me Rugi. So finally, hand don't touch you finally. No, I used to think you're untouchable. Nobody can touch you in this village.
Chavaka, shut up your mouth.
Okay.
Shut up! If you don't know what to say, if you don't know how to say sorry to her, get out!
Mama, why are you telling me to shut up? No! Why are you telling me to shut up? Every day she be doing fugo. I am the rock of ages. So what do you get me? What do you get me? I am a man, I'm a woman now. Finally, hand don't touch you. This is just the beginning. You never have anything. Do you want some mango?
Come and read this paper, get out!
Cool temper.
Get out! I know that. You will start bleeding again. But I must report that Igwe must hear this. He has to take decision on this. What is this now? Eh?
Oh, Father, with due respect, I am not going to repeat myself again. I am no longer that little boy you used to control. I am grown enough to make decisions and make choices on my own.
And that decision is you getting a tomboy for a wife?
Will you shut up?
Please!
I said shut up!
What do you mean?
Don't you dare talk to me like that. It is my decision and not yours.
And then your decision is so childish and immature. Do you understand me?
How
Wake
dare
up!
you talk to me?
Grow up, Hannah, grow up, not a tomboy. Get a proper wife.
Let me tell you something, you listen to me, okay? When I speak, you shut up and
Oh,
listen.
please.
I don't know what gave you the effrontery to think you can even take decisions for me. Let this be the first and the last time you speak to me in that manner. I am the prince of this kingdom.
I want to watch you bring shame and disgrace to this household. I won't. Do you understand me? I won't allow you.
But
Stop it.
Stop, please. Stop this rubbish this minute. My prince, Anna, has made his choice. And we should learn how to respect his opinion. Let's respect it. Please.
That girl used charm on my son.
I do not want to believe that until it is proven.
Then you'll get your answer very soon.
Better.
I don't know what is happening here. And I don't care to know. But I'll tell you what. You all are pushing me to the wall. To the extent I will forget everything about the marriage and nothing will happen. The heavens will not fall.
Shut up.
What did you?
Will you shut? Enough. My friend, listen to me. I do not like the manner you are handling this matter. And you, my princess, I don't like it when you disrespect my prince before me. In my presence. Stop it!
But Dad, you...
Enough! Don't talk!
Hey! Who is that big water?
Nneka, you did what? You beat Ogade up.
I don't understand. We even break her head.
Wait. You broke Ogade's head and you're still in this village.
I don't understand. I'm not scared of her. She's not going to do me anything.
Wait, let me tell you as your brother. If you know what is good for you, leave this village immediately. If you don't want Ogade's wrath to fall on you.
Hey.
As your brother, I will not be there for you, I'm telling you. You know what you have done?
I don't understand, brother. When did you become a coward? Eh?
Oh, me, coward. Okay, I've told you, Nneka, I've told you.
Wait a minute. You mean they did this to you? You know what? I want the names of all the girls that did this to you. They need to be punished.
No need for that. Couple.
No, you don't understand. I want them to suffer. I want them to spend some time in jail. Okay? I need their names.
It's not necessary. Don't worry. I will handle it.
Allow me to bother myself about them. Okay? Say, this is what we are going to do. I want them to spend some time in jail as punishment for laying their filthy hands on the future queen of this land. It's not done. They need to be punished. Please, let me have their names.
couple. Me? Ogade. I'll handle it. Shh, I'll handle it.
Very well done. If you say so. But I have a suggestion to make. What if I relocate you to the palace so you have some amount of safety there?
How about your people? Have you told them?
Oh no, how did it go? Were you able to consult the SMO?
Yes, my queen. I did. But it wasn't exactly what you hoped for.
I don't understand you.
Your son chose his bride without any feelings of charm.
What?
Impossible.
You can go to SMO and verify. You can go to him and verify. But someone came to that palace with charm. But it was not the Ogene girl. She is innocent. But the same person that came with charm will be dealt with. That is the tradition.
Wait. Then who was the person that came with the charm?
We will know later.
Say no nonsense girl. He says Tigeress. She not there look for trouble. But if you find them come, you go better. No got them my strength. No be choice. She not there look for trouble. But if you find her trouble, you go better. No got them man a female kill me. This one a woman. This strong go pass him.
Sorry.
Leave it alone.
Stop. Oh, yeah, stop.
Sorry.
Stop.
Stop. Sorry.
Ichinwu. You people have the guts, the temerity to try more about Gadema. Eh?
But if you find and come, you go no Gadema strength, no choice. She not
Oh yeah, stop apologizing. Stop apologizing. You are sorry. Oh, you are sorry. You are sorry.
I'm sorry.
This one now woman, we strong go pass him man. This one now woman.
Put your brain move. Don't you try me. Don't try me. Fact. Let me chillax. Wait! One beer. Me farmer. One beer. Cold one. Just bomb me for me. I will tell beer. No, they shout. Igwe is resting.
Mother, what do you mean we should let the prince be? I don't understand.
Chidemma, did you not hear what the Onowu said? That we should allow your brother to marry whom he has already chosen. What? Since it was not influenced by any charm, we should allow him. Eh?
Wait. Let me ask you one question. Just be honest with me. This girl in question, Ogadema, how are you going to feel introducing her to people? No, tell me if you're not going to feel ashamed of yourself. I want to know.
My daughter, let's not fight over this anymore. Please. It hurts me so much that your brother made such an powerful choice of a bride. But what do we do? The only thing we need to do now is to encourage him, support him. Yes. He said she's the one that makes him happy, that he loves her.
Huh? Mother, can you listen to yourself? You need to act like the lioness that you are. She can't come into this house. She fights everywhere she goes to. That girl is an animal. She can't be a queen, not in this palace. Do something. You're saying we should support her. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed at you. Stop saying this. I don't want to hear it from you. Stop it.
Your brother has made his choice.
His choice is wrong. This is a wrong choice, mother. Again, I fight everywhere she goes to.
Hey, don't run. Just stop where you are. If you love yourself, I say don't run. Do not run. On your knees. Go down on your knees. Go down on... Oh, God. Stop this thing you're doing. This one now. Eh? Just go down. Who are you talking to? On your knees. On your knees. Oh. I said on your knees. On your knees. Fast. You brought those useless girls. You brought those useless girls to come and beat me, Ogadi. You know who I am. You know who I am. Stop. Do you know who I am? I'm asking you. Stop this thing you're doing. You know who I am. I'll teach you a lesson you take to the grave today. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Up. Oh yeah, jump like wow. Start jumping. Oh yeah, jump like wow. So. How do you mean wow? What is wow? If I what is, how do I jump? You don't know how to jump like tortoise. It's like this. Oh yeah, fast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and be apologizing. Be apologizing. Be going. You'll be doing it and be going. And be saying, oh God, I'm sorry. Keep it. Keep that slippers. Keep that slippers. I said, keep it. You are not running anywhere. Leave it. Oh yeah, leave the 2 slippers. Come on your leg, guys. So. Oh yeah, jump like wow. You see, your doing is not fair. It's not fair. Jump like wow. My young man. And be apologizing. Don't even try to run, because if I catch you in my life, yeah. Be saying, oh God, I'm sorry. Oh God, oh yeah, turn this way. Keep jumping. When you can't fight, yeah, you go back again. You can't fight. Oh yeah, stop. I say jump. 1. Be apologizing.
Oh,
don't
God,
just.
sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, be apologizing.
Oh.
No. Hey, attention. Stand that thing for his son. Oh yeah, jump. I'm not hearing your voice.
Oh God, sorry.
I can't hear you.
Oh God, sorry.
The villagers cannot hear you.
Oh God, sorry.
Son, I want you to know that I finally accepted for you to marry your choice of a wife. You can go ahead.
Mother, if I get you right, you mean I can go ahead and marry Ogadima?
Exactly. Initially, I thought she used charm on you, but I found out she's your happiness and her desire. So, go ahead. Do not mind your sister's opinion. Go for what makes you happy.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you very much. I at least expected this from you.
You're welcome.
We shall now go ahead and prepare for the marital rites. After which, we bring Ogadima to live with us in this palace.
Very well, Father. Very well. I hope you're happy. Very, very happy, Father. Very happy. Thank you, Father. Yeah, thank you. I'll take my leave.
Where are you going? On your knees. On your knees!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
On your knees. On your knees. On your knees. I'll kill all of you in this village.
Sorry.
Start apologizing. Start apologizing.
Forgive me.
Forgive you for what?
Forgive me.
For what? I want to know. What did you do? What did you do?
I'm sorry. I will not do it again.
You will not do what again? Mad people go, you know? Imam. You have the mind. You have the mind. Eh? You have the mind. Did you answer? You get that? Oh yeah, start rolling yourself Cooperate. Start rolling. Because I remember how you people that roll, let them mind roll. Cooperate. More kina tanya. It's in my It's in my roll, be. What to roll? What to do? What to do? Oh, just go. After just go. Wait. Okay. Okay. So what draw? No problem. You will still come for the bag. I know banata. I came to know why your shemale beat my own daughter mercilessly.
Okay. So your daughter was among those girls that beat my daughter up? Huh?
Why must she go to a competition with a charm? Why? What's a charm?
Charm. Just look at you. You that is known as mother of charm in this village, accusing someone else of using charm. Why would my daughter use charm? Huh? Do you know you are very, very stupid?
You are mad.
I said you are completely stupid. Who do you think you are? Who?
I see you are
walking with your two left legs into my house to accuse my daughter of using charm.
Amoge, you are very, very stupid. In fact, you are mad. I will deal with you and that your daughter.
It is me that will deal with you and your daughter for sending her to attack my daughter. Simply because the prince chose her. Let me ask you. Is your daughter not more beautiful than my daughter? Why didn't the prince choose her? Why? I'm asking you!
Let me tell you. By the time I finish with you and that your shemale, you will know why they call me Ezine.
You carried your two left leg into my compound to warn me. After your daughter beat up my daughter, you are now in front of me accusing my daughter of using charm. If you know what is good for you, leave my compound now. Or do you want me to call Oga? She's around. She's inside. She's listening to us.
I have delivered my message. You are mad. God punish you. I can walk on down. I can walk on down. I'm not fear.
Ogade is a no nonsense girl. Ogadema is a tigeress. She if you find out, and soon has been it has come. Look for trouble, but if you find a trouble,
very jealous people.
This
one now, and I give her no, she will remember everything.
I am talking to you. Who gave you the right to lay your filthy hands on my sister? Alana Wage? I'm from the pastor Diginiru or Zuberugi. Who gave you the right, Ogadima? Who gave you the right to lay your filthy hands on my sister? What did you do, Papa's cap? In Awanya.
It's okay, my dear wife.
Ogadima.
My dear wife, it is okay. What is it? Why are you shouting?
Alana Puge. Which one is what am I shouting? Yeah, they make me listen. How dare you? This of you to come and follow me and talk to this your stupid sister. You're here telling me what am I shouting?
That is why I came out.
That is why you came out. That is something.
Biko. My wife, no. Leave my wife.
I'm not even.
Leave my wife alone.
But if you find out,
my wife alone.
Don't
touch my wife.
But if you find trouble,
it's okay now. It is okay now. It's okay. My dear wife, sorry. My dear wife, sorry. My dear wife.
Celebrate with me.
Oh, fine. They're here to celebrate. They are done, right? Can you instruct them to leave?
They are not going. As a matter of fact, they will live here with me. How can I survive without again?
Live here? In this palace? With who? Mother, did you hear her? No, did you hear her?
I think my son will discuss that with the wife.
My queen, Idiroma. Ay, Jesus. Usodi emeneno skin, stainless woman. Idiroma, you are too beautiful. There's a way you are looking special today. Kambuche your song. Kambagi perfume. Salute, my queen. You are too beautiful. Igwe, imo anya. Anya ga adirokuma. Lenu munye now. My king, I greet you. I greet you specially.
My daughter, you remind me of my days in Rivers. We call your type Ukulu baby. Well, you're welcome. I hope you make a good queen in this kingdom.
Of course. Try my best.
Sorry.
Please, Anna. Can you people get those Ogene boys out of this palace? The noise is too much. It's too much.
Okay, my dear sister, at this point, I will kindly ask you to step aside so I can talk to Father, please. All right? It is time. Father, please excuse me. My beautiful bride and I will go upstairs to freshen up. But we'll be back soon to have lunch.
You will permit me to fall out.
Say no nonsense girl. He says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble. But if you find and come, you go better.
Okay, so you mean your guys will be spending the night here?
Ozubon, it's not only night, they will be staying with me. This is one of the reasons I don't want to marry. I cannot stay without Ogene. Ogene is my life. Makachi.
So why did you change your mind?
After that day that you told me that your father is sick, and when Onowu stopped me on the road and told me that we are destined to be together, so says the gods.
Of course, the Onowu was right, okay? We are meant to be together forever. I can't tell how happy I am to have you as my wife. I can't. I love you.
Guy, love. I've not done love. Ike love adoro.
I understand. I'll be patient with you, okay? I'll be patient with you. Yeah. So, tell me. Do you say the Ogene dancers will be staying here tonight?
Yes, now. It's not tonight. You are mistaking the whole thing. I said they will be living here with me. See, let me tell you the truth. I love to dance. I love to play Ogene. Yeah, now that you say you want to marry me, you have married me. Once I wake up after eating, I will dance Ogene. Before I sleep, I will dance Ogene again. I will play Ogene. That is the only way I can be happy in this palace. So. If not, Kaya sakwa everything.
It's alright. We have to discuss that with my parents. The king and the queen. Okay? Hmm?
I told you Nike love Adron.
What is it? You don't like to be kissed?
I don't like love. I'm not used to doing love.
It's okay. I'll teach you, okay? I'll be patient with you. Okay, so concerning your attire.
No good there. Biko Makachiko from that side. You see that place? Danger zone, keep off. Because if you trespass, if you maybe you. You see the way I'm dressed? That is my lifestyle. And I like it. Biko, you don't catch. After all, you saw me like this. There are other girls that wear what you like. You saw me like this. Now you want to change me.
It's okay. The point I'm trying to make is how? How do you expect one to identify you as the wife of the crown prince? I mean, as the future queen of our great kingdom.
Wait. They should address me the way I dress. Even if they don't call me future queen or anything, but if this my attire, they give me joy now. Check your one now. Check your one. Now. This is comfort. You want me to start wearing slippers, doing all those things and be going like this? Guy, I can't change my personality for this marriage. Hey, what's with the villa?
What is the meaning of this? Why are you not dressed in a royal attire?
I'm sorry, ma. This is what I know how to wear. This is how I've been dressing all my life.
You are in a royal home and should dress accordingly.
My queen, I wish I can. Makachi. This is how I know and enjoy dressing. Biko.
It is unacceptable. Then it's not acceptable. Have you forgotten you are a queen to be?
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Mother, please, you know, this is table time. Let's just please table manners. As a matter of fact, I like the way she's dressed, okay? I'm a husband and I'm okay with that. Please, let's just eat.
Now why are you suddenly sounding like an empty drum? Huh? No, do you even listen to yourself when you speak? Do you?
Uncle, is he your mate? Or do you maybe? How dare you talk to my husband like that?
What will you do?
It's the king and queen that respect, you know. If not,
If not, Ijamu. Listen, shut up your mouth, my friend.
Let yourself.
This is table time. Can we eat this food in peace and total quiet?
So good, wow.
Oh, no. We are on our way to your house to arrest your daughter.
Arrest my daughter?
Yes.
For what? What did she do?
For daring to step into the secret kingdom of Ofomata with charm.
Charm?
Yes.
My daughter with charm?
Eh?
Although possible. My daughter does not play with charm. She doesn't even know what charm is. Mama,
I'm innocent.
I know you're innocent.
You're innocent?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The SMO sent us to arrest you and bring you before the shrine to confess. Before the villagers will strip you of your clothes and parade you of the shame work. That is our tradition, and it must be done.
Mama, my son, I didn't know it's my mother that gave me the charm.
Really?
Yes, she did.
You did?
I did not ask for it.
I was only trying to help my daughter to win the heart of the prince. I didn't mean it for evil. It's charm to get favor. Eh?
Hey! Ezemo said it. Okay? You know very well that it's quite a taboo to use charm in any form in this community. You are under arrest because we are going to take you to SMO now. That is the order. Oh yeah! Go!
It don't happen, oh! If I want to carry very shakara do endo, it don't endo, shakara do endo, it don't carry very. I don't know what you're talking about. Shakara do endo. Yeah. Obago. Can you stop? I don't know what you're talking about. See it. Can you see yourself? Oh, finally, it has entered. Eh? Mama! Mommy! Eh? Please, don't tell Mama. Don't tell Mama, please. Please, I know we've not been on good notes, but please. I should not tell Mama. Yes, please. So you have small respect. No, so you can be disrespectful. All the while you were busy running your mouth in this house, insulting me, your brother's wife. Oh, Chalugo, ja, wine. You did not know. No, now you can tell me to... Mommy! No, let me call Mommy. Don't call. Let me call your Mommy so that she will come and see what has happened. It's okay now. Very soon she will carry a baby boy or a baby girl. Don't tell her, please. I should not tell her? Yes. You see it? Oku naga wara, anya naga wara na fear. You think I did not see you? I just palmed there. I saw you running. You were running so that nobody will see you. Afungi dialect. Afungi, and I will tell your mama. I will tell her because I've told you all the concussion you were busy taking from here and there. Because the kind of temptation, the kind of abortion, the kind of things that you've done. Use your voice. Mommy! No, you're telling me I'm radio without battery. No, is that what you're saying? Sometimes, but you use your voice. Sometimes. Mom! No, you've not seen anything. Bet me, I must tell your mother. You saw those insults you blamed on me. You will hear when you got phone get all Mommy! Stop now! Don't beg me now. Let me go and call your mommy. Then go this one. Instead of you to be begging me and start buying me biscuit and mineral, you're here telling me nonsense. Okay, please don't tell her. You know, concern me, I must tell her. You saw these insults you've given me in this house. You got an arrow there. Ma! Chamaka! Mommy! Chamaka! Oh, my God! What again? Mama! Eh? Bigger, fifeta. Your Highness.
What is the meaning of this? As a wife in this palace, your duty is to know how things are being done here, especially how to cook food and arrange things in the royal home.
Based on who I be. Because me and your son, we have proper understanding of how I will be behaving in the palace. Okwete, yotago. Okwe kurungo ina, yotago. I explained everything to him. And he did not have any problem with it. I was
here. Hey! Will you shut up your mouth? Who gave you the audacity to talk while I'm talking?
Queen, sorry,
eh?
Butu.
Where did it come from? Queen. You want me to send you out from here now?
Queen, Butu. Osodieme, Butu.
Your husband is my son, so you are answerable to me as well. And I'm giving it to you as an order that at the end of today, you see these Ogene people, you should send them out from this palace. They will not play here again.
Queen, ndị Igbo si onye mara ihe na-eso okwu na-emenya isi ife ogene ma ejene ebe ahụ ejene ya because I don't know how I can survive without ogene mma ahụ na mma eko na mma ekuru ezi nwa. I explain everything to your son osi m n'udo dị ya ka m bịazi kịta ụnụ achị mebeze m ihe ndị mpi anya ọdụrọ mma na yotago onwe m ihe ọjọọ. I did not offend anybody. Egwu ka m na-akpa m just here mego na jollificate na-enwe aṅụrị ba ya CB ka ife ọzọ.
If this ogene is your life, then get ready to die. Because they will not play in this palace again. And that is final. I don't want to see them play any music in this house. Inoria, that is final. It's an order.
Worst case scenario, I will leave. I can leave the marriage because after all, when your son came to me, I told you, I'm not interested. It's not marriage that is my problem. I just want to do my own. Now I'm here. You people want to carry me and put. Wait.
Sis,
wait.
If you look that woman face, you will see she no like better thing.
Waiting I want.
See her forehead full. She no like better thing.
You know, consign me. You know be my business. Maybe she go my friend. Maybe she be God. You understand? Where would I go? Hey!
Mother, please. I have discussed with my wife. She says she feels so happy playing Ogene that she cannot do without Ogene. So as her husband, I have agreed within myself that I will allow her to continue playing Ogene as long as it makes her happy.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Bravo to you and to her, the future queen of this kingdom and Ogene player. Ha! Can you listen to yourself? Huh? She doesn't know how to do anything in this palace. To cook, common to cook. The simplest thing every woman should know. She doesn't know how to do it.
Mother, but we already have a palace cook.
Ah!
Of course.
Then she cannot expect them to know how far. To check on your father, to check on myself, to know if we are okay, to know if everything is going...
Stop this. Come on, stop it. You are just looking for excuses left, right, center. Eh? These are flimsy excuses. Please, you have no reason to hate on my wife. At all. You don't have any reason. You're just looking for reasons. By the way, I am her husband. I'm the one marrying her. I'm not you. And I'm okay. Very okay with what she does. Whatever she has agreed to do in life, I'm very okay with it. Besides, Mother, why are we even revisiting this issue? I thought we have discussed and you have agreed to accept her the way she is.
Yes, I have accepted her, but that doesn't mean that if she makes a mistake, I cannot correct her or pick a hole in her method of life. You seem to be forgetting something here, that she is the future queen of this kingdom. So there is a way she's supposed to behave, and I'm supposed to teach her the ethics of being a queen so that she will not go out there and disgrace this royal home and disgrace our kingdom.
Mother, you know what? With due respect, don't correct her. Please don't. All right? If you have anything to tell her, don't tell her directly. Instead, let me know. Tell me, and I know how to relate to her as her husband.
It's okay, sir. You've really made your point. Darling, my queen, please, let that girl be. She has come for marriage. And she's from a different world altogether. You do not expect her to change within a twinkle of an eye. All you need to do is to be patient with her. Support this movement. Be patient with her.
Ifeoma. So you have finally brought shame to this family. So you have finally brought unwanted pregnancy into this house. Ifeoma. Ifeoma, who is the father of this thing in your womb? I don't know. I don't know. Huh? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You don't know who made you pregnant, Ifeoma? Hey! Hello, remember.
Mama, which one is Alemegi? Ijapaka. Alemem. I don't know Maggie before. Are you wait oh? I'm not even surprised oh. No, we're here expecting her to say that yes, she knows the father of the baby.
And what is your business? Don't talk to my mother like that too.
Look at this efulefu. Akunoko. What do you expect from an akuna? Today she will sleep with this person. Tomorrow she will sleep with the next person. How will she know who got her pregnant?
Mind your business.
Look at you.
And you shut up! You still have the mouth to talk. You still have the mouth to talk when you don't know who the father of your baby is. Ifeoma, in fact, I am ashamed. I am ashamed of you. If nobody holler them, Ifeoma, go inside, pack your things, and leave my house.
You see? That is how you keep spoiling them. Go inside, pack your things, and leave my house just like that.
Can you just keep quiet? Can you just keep
quiet? I swear to God. Mama, this is how you spoil your children. It's obvious to put rope on her neck while you also with her sister, Tia no so Pia Nike, Jaya The first wife of this house has spoken. The owner of this house, or the owner. So this house, I have spoken. You must leave. You don't have respect. I have a sister that has big bum like you. My own sister's bum is even bigger than your own. You can get it for what shape. See my sister's bum.
What is it? Ask this girl who got her pregnant.
Mama wants to chase me out of the house.
Mama, wait. Why would you ask my sister to leave the house? Even if she's pregnant, the best option is not to chase her out of the house. I think we can settle this issue. I mean, we can talk it out.
You see that's a way. What way out? She does not know the owner of the baby. How am I supposed to know? What way out are you talking about?
I'm not going out of this house. I'm staying here.
Mama, please. We can sit as a family in a calm manner and discuss this thing, and we'll have a better solution to.
Look at you. I was here making mouth. My husband is coming. My husband came. What happened?
How dare you talk to my brother like that? Don't dare it. Don't talk to my brother like that. Don't talk to my brother like that again. Hey, useless woman. On an idea, don't talk to my brother like that.
You're here supporting this girl that doesn't have respect, that doesn't respect me in this house. If you don't have anything reasonable to do, I will.
Leave him alone.
What have I done?
You see this house? Leave him alone. You will leave.
I'm not
If you don't get on, I didn't imagine I'm going to go. Everywhere.
Mama, she's pregnant. Go and get your own pregnant.
Enter inside. Enter inside. Yes, come on. Just no sense. Let me not see outside. Leave my brother alone.
Ogade, it's a no nonsense girl. Ogade, it's a tigeress. She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go better. no got them my strength, no be chasing. She not look for trouble, but if you
Hey! Why are you sitting on that roller chair? Stand up. Stand up. I'm talking to you. My friend, stand up from there!
It's like you did not make inquiries about
Inquiries about who?
me.
You?
See, let me tell you something. Just now watching kids. I'm just keeping quiet because you are the princess. On a normal njagi. Girl, njagi.
What will you do?
Dikeh.
What will you do? I'm asking you. Eh? Ajupramese. What the hell will you do? Stand up from that chair.
He says, Tigeress, she not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go pray, no got them my strength, no be chasing.
What's up? Can you believe that the chief cook told me that the princess instructed her not to give us even a grain of rice? That is your responsibility to feed us outside this palace. Imagine.
The chief cook. Who said that nonsense? That they will not give my Ogene people food in this palace? Swear, Bazia. No, Pa.
No, I know you will not like the information.
Let me know how there will be peace in this palace if my Ogene people are hungry. Bazia.
Go and show her what you're made of. Eh? How can we not eat? How are we going to play if we don't eat in this palace?
He says, Tigeress, she not there look for trouble,
That's it.
but if you find out,
You're walking now. I'm talking to you, Mama. Eh? I was told that Ogadima ordered the arrest of my mother. Why?
Who told you that? How are you sure that it's Ogadima that ordered your mother's arrest? See, my daughter can dress like a boy. She can dress anyhow she like a boy. She does not look like a woman, but she's not wicked. She's not heartless. I am not sure that my daughter ordered your mother's arrest. Again, what did your mother do? Did your mother and Ogadima fight in any way? Or when Fene say Hanabu, why would she do a thing like that? She's not that mean now. What are you talking about?
No, I should be asking you what you are talking about. You need to go and ask that your stupid daughter some questions. Yes, she ordered for my mother's arrest, claiming that my mother uses charm. Now, my younger sister, Mwakego, is on the run. Even for her bomb that is having her on her bosom. Because of what your daughter caused. No, it's exactly what your daughter caused. Now they want to drag my mother in a walk of shame in this community. Ha! Eba me! Mama, don't allow me to change it for you and your daughter. Go and warn your daughter. Go and warn her. Adimatch watch. Adimatch watch you.
Hey, Chiamaka, first of all, you and I know that your mother is a desperate woman. The card you could registered. Yes. Did you ask your mother what she did? What offense did she commit this time around? And again, how are you sure that it's my daughter that arrested her? I know that your mother, like this thing that is happening now, I am not surprised at all. I know that your mother could be dealing with charms or all those things. she cannot be far away from that. Leave my daughter out of this. I will not take it from you or anyone accusing my daughter Ogadima falsely. I won't take it from anybody.
Yes! Mama, is this what you're saying? No. What are you saying? So you're supporting your daughter to accuse my mother? No, you're supporting your daughter to accuse my mother. Kolomia, I will show your daughter. See, that your daughter is in the palace, or what? What's wrong? It's not my business, Madam Mechaya. Mechaya, she will know that my name is Chamaka, and I want Timawa. You will see.
What you just said now goes in the sense.
Oh, you are being a sense.
In sense, at all. If
you even check the worker.
She got me already.
Check it with the worker.
The problem is that your mother did not raise you well.
Look at you.
If that's your mother, Naja can raise you well. If not because she was busy trying to tie one charm, tie one juju or the other, she would have raised you well to know that you're not supposed to talk to your mother-in-law like this. Let me tell you, if you try to
take this your stupidity and arrogance to the palace, they will jail you.
Okay.
I got watching it there.
Okay.
As for your mother, I don't even have any business with you because I've always known. Yes, I'm married this person.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not gonna move here. And now that you go, I know that one day her cup will be full to the brim, and this is that time. This is the time I've been waiting for.
Mama,
what?
Chelu.
What?
No! It's very obvious you're jealous of my mother.
Jealous of
It's very obvious you're jealous of my mother.
Jealous of your mother. Whoa! See that I'll be jealous of.
You're jealous. You don't see her skin color, her beauty.
Because it's
Mama the Korea China.
The Korea China.
Mama the Korea China. Mama, don't worry. I will show you. You see that your daughter? Designer. See, by the time I'm done with your daughter, I'll come to your son.
She's about to
no, you will see.
She's about to be
which way?
That is your problem.
Wait, Nandiala.
She's about to
wait,
be
which kind of set queen?
It is not your problem. It is not your problem. Come on, she will soon be your queen. Useless girl does not have respect for her mother-in-law. Idiot. When I call it, not calling it like this. You and your mother. Well, very soon you will be the next. You will be next, so. No. If you see the woman, she'll be beautiful. You say, no, mommy, man, no, go in the kitchen. Only my mom will go when I check to such. Nonsense. Not all got the mama. Rubbish. Don't worry.
Hey, Mbacho, I'm touching body. Stop. What is going on? Eh? Okay, Fozzy.
I'm just trying to put you in the mood.
Mood for what? Eh?
The point I'm trying to make is, I'm trying to, I'll touch you, then you touch me back, and then we'll...
Bros, your hand is warm and it's discomforting me. Biko, couple. Don't touch me.
How can you say my hand is warm? Okay, you know what? Maybe we'll do it the other way, okay? You be the one to touch me, and maybe that will, put you in the mood, okay?
Mood for what?
You are my wife, I'm your husband. We should be making love.
Okay, for making guinea. See, I'm not ready. I am not interested. I'm interested. Ha!
How do you mean you're not interested? Okay, you know what?
This is the reason I don't want to get married. This is the reason, because I don't want to be forced to do what I don't want to do. Listen, I'm actually, hey, koporom. That's how I live my life.
But how are we going to stay under one roof without me touching you as your husband?
Must you touch me?
Then you touch me.
Here. Oh, touch and follow.
Baby, this is not touch and follow. I'm your husband. We are doing the right thing. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, you know
next 2 weeks we will do. Next 2 weeks.
But you have been postponing it. It's not right. Today you tell me tomorrow. Tomorrow you tell me next tomorrow.
Wait,
keep doing it like this. It's not good.
Should I leave the bed?
I'm not asking you to leave the bed. Am I going to sleep with the bed? I'm going to sleep with my wife. And my wife is you.
Jesus.
How are you calling Jesus? What's Jesus going to do? You calling to come and be a referee or what?
Please, I cannot. I don't want to. I don't want to.
Okay, good. I'll give you another option, okay? I will let you be. I'll be patient with you, and then prepare your mind for it. Then we can do it nice and slow, like slowly.
Slowly, but when we go there, you know, go back rape.
Nonsense girl, oh goddamn, he says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble, but if you find and come, you go.
Son.
Yes, father. What of your wife? Oh, my wife. She's upstairs. She's dressing up.
Dressing up?
Yes, mother.
Did you not tell her that we are supposed to leave here by 10 a.m. to where we are going?
Of course. I know. I told her, but mother, it's not really our fault. It's not our fault because last night we slept late and we were so tired.
Sorry, my king.
Sorry, father.
Is that supposed to be an excuse?
Not really an excuse. I'm just trying to tell you what happened. We slept late, that's why.
Guard! Go upstairs. Call the prince's wife. Tell her she shouldn't keep us standing.
Mother, is this really necessary? I was able to jump into my clothes because I'm a man. But for a woman, you know...
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
I know I have a strong heart, child. I can't stand too long.
Okay, it's almost done. Okay.
I told you.
Don't you people think you are tasking my patience? Consider my health condition. I can't stand too long here. Where is she?
Sorry, my king. She will soon be here.
Sorry, Father. Sorry, she'll be here soon. You know,
Hey!
Here she comes.
I thought you said your
Wait
wife
for
is
the
going
second.
with us.
Of course, she is.
Excuse me. Son?
Yes, mother.
I thought you said your wife would be following us.
Of course. As you can see, she is ready. So shall we?
Dressed this way? I can't believe she wasted our time only to dress this way. So you want to embarrass us where we are going?
I'm sorry, my queen, but this is my lifestyle. Oh. Since I was born, you tell them.
Of course, they're aware.
Oh, God, my daughter. Don't you think it will be better for you to dress in a royal attire?
No. No, my king. I've not worn royal attire before. I am comfortable like this. This is what I'm most comfortable with. I'm neat.
Mother, Father, please, I don't know why we're making a big deal out of this. I mean, fashion has to do with one's comfort. She's comfortable this way, so why don't we go?
Exactly. You are on point. Because this is what you get when you marry a dumb.
Oh, Mother, you're talking about my wife here with due respect. Show some respect to her.
Okay, in that case, you are not going with us. Let us go.
No problem. Let me stay for peace to reign.
No. You are going with us. Please, don't say that.
I can't.
I don't think I have this luxury of patience. My health cannot permit me to stay here.
Okay, if that be the case.
More than necessary.
I'm not going with you people. I'm not.
Better.
If she's staying back, I'm staying back as well.
Go.
It's your choice. Better. Stay with her.
No, I'm not going. Let's go.
Sorry, my king.
Just go with them now. You know, go happy they can notice. Go with them.
No, I won't. I'd rather stay back and enjoy my moment with you instead of going with them. Let them go. I'm fine. Nobody will disrespect my wife in my presence. Not even my parents.
He says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble, but if you find out.
I called you all here because I know we all have one common enemy, which is Ogadima. She thinks she has won. She thinks she has defeated us and put us all to shame. Yes. And we all need to give her one punishment that she deserves for doing what she did to us all, which is death.
I support that, even though killing is a crime, but she deserves it. I mean, we cannot just allow her go to the palace and enjoy after everything she did to us now. It's not possible.
You're right. But if we are to do that, we need someone from the palace. An ally that will help us bring her out, where we'll do the needful.
Case closed. My people. Sister. Yes, it is me. I am happy. We all share in the same spirit and understanding. Do not worry. I have someone to do the job. Yes. This is the time to put that stupid bastard to afterlife where she deserves to be.
It's not good that you did not follow your parents to that event.
You don't want me to go with them.
They do.
You don't. If they do, they would have accepted my wife the way she is, irrespective of the way she dressed. They would have accepted you the way you are and they would have respected your presence. For them to reject you, it simply means they don't want me to go with them. And I'm fine.
Thank you for always standing by me.
You deserve it, baby. You do. Okay? I mean, that is what every responsible and loving husband should do for their wives. I don't regret not going with them.
You are my defender and my rock. I appreciate.
I like the fact you see and appreciate my efforts towards making sure you're protected in this palace.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. In the real sense, you don't have to thank me for anything. I'm doing my job as your husband. I'll be patient with you. I know you're new to the system here in the palace, okay? But I am ready to be patient with you, okay? But I'll make sure I protect you. I'll make sure I do everything humanly possible to see that you are protected in this palace. Nobody has a right to play with you, to disrespect you. I won't take it. Okay?
Thank you.
And by the way, I'm beginning to like your dress sense. Maybe I should just try something like this on and see how it looks on me.
It looks good on you. Ha! But you get better. Let's go to my room now. Let me give you my polo to wear. You want to wear my clothes?
Let's go. Let me see how
So,
it
tell
looks.
you our drink can be going now. Should I bring again the people to the room? So.
Okay, let me just put on the. Let me just put on the t-shirt, okay?
He says Tigeress, she not there look for trouble, oh. But if you find and come, you go pere. No goddamn my strength, no pitch I say. She not there look for trouble,
Learn my man. What can you do,
Like this, right? Like this. I'm doing very well now, right?
Wait. See how we want. Swear, Buchario is so. See how we want. Walking a better. Prayer points on Saleno, my guy. Walking the Roma. The Roma is so. Jesus. Let's go. No. Yeah, bridge a motor. Swear, Mbapa. Can I take it by Legacy's Benz or his song?
Oh, for real?
Yes, now. By CB.
We're not using the car?
No, car will spoil the swag.
Okay.
Yeah, but you don't want to. Yeah, we go by CB, by only be. You gotta go for. You not get a you gotta go for. But they want no honor. You gotta go. Up moto. Oh, you want moto? Okay, let me make you comfortable.
She not there look for trouble, but if you
find trouble, Let's go. Hey, this one sweet you. This is the best thing you have done for me.
Say no nonsense girl. Oh goddamn. He says Tigeress. She not there look for trouble. But if you find and come,
listen. You know you can ask for anything at all, and I will do it with ease. You know that already. But not this one. Ask for something else, please.
Obum.
Neme.
This one is exactly what I want. I don't want another one. Are you ready to do it or not?
Listen. There are other options, things you can ask for. I will do it happily, as far as it has to do with you. Oh, not this now. Ogade is a very good friend and a loyal one at that. I can't possibly do this to her. Just say something else because
I see. I was thinking you really liked me the way you've been saying. I thought you've been dreaming all your life just to hold me in your arms. You know, caress me, make me feel like a woman. And you're here saying, what, I got it this, I got it that. That means you're not ready. No, you're not ready to enjoy all this.
I'm ready. I wasn't also. I'm ready. All these things, you know I have eyes on you. What exactly do you want me to do? Go straight to the point. Let me know. Because
I am not saying you should kill her. I am not saying you should do anything to her. I am only asking you to lure her out of the palace and leave the rest for me. That's all. Very simple task. You're here shaking blah 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 blah. But if I'm okay.
I should lure her out of the palace. Hey, do you want to kill her? Do you want to kill her?
Madina na moto. Maniru moto. Look at you. You're asking me silly question. Did I say I was going to kill her?
No, the way you were saying lure. That lure, it sounds like...
Then leave it. Don't stress yourself.
Don't worry. Oh, baby, don't worry, man. My own case here, like this. I will do it. As far as it will make you happy. And then I will have a taste of everything you have. I will do it.
Now you're talking. So, deal.
Is it able to deal now?
We will see when you do it.
What is going on? Why are you people under punishment? Eh?
Honestly, we don't know. The princess just woke up and decided to punish us.
Why? Makagin?
She used to behave like that.
Because I don't understand how somebody will just wake up on where the phone on a kumkum. She will now decide to punish you like that. You people are looking like liars and I don't like lies. Oh.
We swear with our lives. That's how she used to behave. She's just being mean and unfair to us. She sometimes punishes the guards too.
If that is the case, stand up. I say stand up. I set you free. Whoever I set free is free indeed. Don't be scared. If she asks you, ask you to stand up. Tell her no, Gade. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
He says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble.
Oye, Jesuga, double siki.
Initial gra.
Double 65. Ngwan kamparanka move. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First to do no the pain.
6, 5. 6, 5. We can hear you. Can hear you. Ko Jesuga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey!
Hey! How dare you release the maidens I kept under punishment? How dare you? Huh?
Generator na aso. Is it me you're shouting at like that? How dare you punish them unjustly?
And how is that your business? No, tell me, how is it your business?
You know you don't know me very well. My name is Oga Ademma.
And who cares?
I cannot be in an environment where people are being punished for doing nothing. Wow. I don't tolerate it. Once I see it, I will set them free.
Ogade!
Oh, you just wake up. It's okay if you want to punish them if they do something wrong. But it's not because maybe your boyfriend did not pick your call or maybe you're having a bad day. You just tell them to go and kneel down.
Listen, Ogade, take your time. Take your time in this household. I am not your mate. I am not your mate. Boy. You should know that in this palace, I am the princess, and of such, I have authority to do whatever I want.
I see. Boy. Which authority? You have authority over me, the wife of the future king, Unye Prince, or because I'm the humble, please go and look for your own husband. Be here and be dragging rights. You have rights, I have rights in the palace. I have. Wait,
do not cross my lane again. Do not cross my lane again. Are you hearing me? Do not! Do not! I'm warning you for the last time. Stupid ass. Animal. Try me again.
This girl thinks we are scared of her in this one. Look at this, look at this.
The confidence in na street before Batapala.
I wanted to use this chair to push her.
I will not allow her to punish those girls. Imagine that place, they're kneeling down and they did not do anything.
What do you expect from a black princess?
Siki 5 what will make it is now?
I did not see it now.
Tan taran.
Oh my God. Nice. Okay. The way you move your body, it shows you're born for this, you know? I like it.
Fire dancer like me.
And I can tell you're enjoying the fruits.
I like it too.
I like it too. Okay, there you go. Come on.
I don't know how to do love.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Okay? So, it's your turn to feed me.
Eh?
Yes.
What is it?
You have to be romantic, okay? You feed your... Oh my goodness.
Romance can be a little disappointment.
You got me there.
Okay, let me give you.
Okay, let's do this again.
What is that? Romance somehow come at home. I don't know how to do romance. So this is romantic now.
It tastes even better coming from you. You know, I like the fact that you're learning, and I like the improvements. Yes.
Don't go and be having high expectations. The truth about me, Ogadi is always Ogadi.
Don't worry. You'll
And
learn.
myself.
And when you learn, you'll like it. Okay? You got to be doing things together. You understand? When we eat together. You feed me, I'll feed you.
You're still in me. Hey, hey, Mama, wait. Why is this one crying?
She's pregnant. So, how did you give me?
Hey! You are pregnant. It's even good so that you can rest.
Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry.
No, you don't have to ask me for forgiveness, though, because the last time I checked, you weren't with female. You don't know anything. I advised you, I spoke to you, but you refused to listen. Now look at the result. Assume you are sorry. Sorry for what?
Please beg Mama so I can remove the pregnancy.
Go, Alo! Shut up! Are you not afraid? Are you... Chimo, abortion. That's a sacrilege in an Igbo.
Oh!
Abomination. Mama, see. Mama, see. If you mistakenly allow her to do it, she's going to give birth to this child here. Mama, food is not and will never be the problem. I promise. As long as Nanya, I'll be bringing food for you and your baby. You will give birth to that child.
You're welcome.
Oni, how are you?
Thank you.
Ava. I hope your wife is not beating you again.
Asio.
That one, she still beats him.
Have you suddenly forgotten that your brother is a coward?
Please, Mama, please, don't call me a coward.
What?
Don't insult me.
Mama,
what? Your neighbor's spineless coward.
Mama is not coward. It's just that Oni loves the wives too much. Show love carry the woman. So in front of the woman, he behaves like a fool. But that does not make him a coward.
Okay.
But it makes him a fool. What
Get the difference. A fool and a coward. Get the difference.
My guy!
After insulting me.
I did not insult
After
you.
insult, they're trying to
I'm
make
stating
a man.
the obvious.
Welcome,
I'm stating the obvious.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Ma, let's go inside.
That's Rose.
Okay.
They brought.
They will carry it.
Yes, they will carry it now. Oh, the look at me. Let's go. Hey, the Apara is in my house. Hey,
Mama. Where is my wife?
Forget about your wife. I'm telling you that Mama Mamburu is now useful. So useful to me and do people too.
My wife? You, Ifoma. Where is my dear wife?
I don't understand. Am I your wife's keeper? Go and look for a useless wife somewhere else.
My wife has to be part of this celebration now.
So
where is she?
Now. Go and look for her now.
My dear wife!
My dear wife, nonsense. Your nonsense wife.
Shut up. My dear wife! Mama, where is my dear wife? My dear wife!
Princess!
What is it? Who are you? Who are you? What do you want?
Give me your phone.
Oh, wait.
Why do you have?
Nothing.
Give me money.
Hey, wait. Let me have that phone. Let me have it. Look at me, that. Hold on. Are you mad? Princess, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. No problem.
Don't.
Wait.
No time for that, ma.
Ogadi, wait.
You like your own way, ma. I did it for God, not for you. Ogadi.
Ogadi, he's a no nonsense girl. Ogadi, ma, he's a tigeress. She not ready for trouble.
I want to ask for your forgiveness. But first, I want to say a very big thank you to you for saving my life today.
It's nothing. It's what I do for a living. Making sure that everyone around me is safe and happy.
I'm so sorry for hating on you. I mean, I have no reason to hate on you. Now, would I say hate, dislike? Maybe because of your appearance. But I'm sorry. It doesn't matter at this point, okay? I have accepted you to be my sister and my brother's wife. Thank you for saving my life.
It's nothing. It's okay. The thing is, even if you don't want to accept me, I'm already your brother's wife. And anytime I see you, even if I'm not your brother's wife, if I see you in danger, I will save your life. Because that is my calling.
See, you're welcome to this family, okay? You're my sister-in-law. In fact, you're everything. Listen, we need her in this household.
Of course, sweetheart. My sweetheart, thank you so much. Thanks for being a patient and very, very understanding wife to me.
Udodi. Oh, bro, leave her alone. She's my wife now. Oh, Mom, come. Ogadi saved my life today.
Really?
Yes. I have no reason to hit on her. She's my sister-in-law, and I've come to accept her. My wife. It's not Nsako. What's your problem? It's not Nsako. It's not Nsako. It's not Nsako.
Oh God. My mother complained to me that some boys have been harassing her in her farm.
Ese, and you're just telling me now? Harassing your mother? Is that boy, those boys, are they, maybe are they mad?
I just found out a few days ago, and I've been thinking on the best way to go about it.
See, Obumneme, you are my very good friend. Trusted ally. We've come a long way. There is nothing I cannot do for you. Ogadema is a freedom fighter. Even people I don't know. You are my guy. I will deal with those people. In fact, you know what? Let's go to the farm.
Ogadi.
Why now? Let's go.
Ogadi, Jirawayo. My mother will be going to the farm tomorrow. Yes, so I think it's best we wait. So tomorrow when she goes to the farm, we'll just go there and then take positions. Take the guys on our way. Oh, Brahma, yeah.
Okay, no problem. But do not panic. Don't allow this to bother you. I'll handle it once and for all. Who is that person that I cannot conquer? Eh?
Ogadi, thank you so much. You're a very good friend.
Don't mention.
You are my G, best team.
Chop no go. Cheers. I got you.
This life.
He says TIGERESS. She not there look for trouble, oh. But if you find and come, you go pray. No got them my strength, no be chasing you. She not there look for trouble, oh. But if you find a trouble, you go pray.
My prince. My prince.
Let's have you. How may I help you?
My prince, I have an important information for you, but it will cost you.
Are you here to joke or what?
No, my prince. It is a matter of life and death.
Then say it. Say it first, and I will consider if I should reward you or not.
It has to do with your wife, Ogadima.
What?
I don't understand though. This your mother's farm I've not heard of it. It's strange, oh. Where are we going? See now.
And this is actually a short path to the farm. I don't want us to follow the main road, so those boys will not see us.
Okay, that's wise of you. Let's
Ogadi, I'm sorry. There's no farm. She made me. She promised that she was going to make me allow me sleep with her. That was why but I'm sure you can beat all of them.
Beat all of you. Are you mad? Realize that you are my best friend. No best friend here. You betrayed me. Obum, you betrayed me. After how many years of our friendship? Mr. Man, stand where? Stand where?
Oh, God, it's not what you think. I'm sure you can beat them now.
Just stay talking. Stop. Oh yeah, do the needful. Oh, you want to run? Where are you going to? You want to run? Where are you going to? No, you want to run. Oh, you think it's the palace where they will serve you chicken, serve you turkey, serve you juice. We are village girls. We're not supposed to drink juice. You see all those things you did in your brother's house, in your people's house. Today, I will make sure I lick your blood and eat your flesh. Always thinking you have power. Nobody. You want to overthrow. I mean, nobody will leak whatever happens here today. My sister, today you will die. Let's go. What? Jesus? My friend, please.
Move. Amara, you betrayed us. I'm sorry.
Ogadi.
My prince.
Are you okay? You good?
It's okay. My prince.
You're safe now, okay?
She was part of the plan. This evil. You want to kill me?
God, handle them.
She's a mom. What are you people doing? My prince! My prince! This is not our agreement! My prince, help me! My prince!
Guys, let's do this. Please, go check on him. What? Hey?
Oh God, he said no nonsense again. Oh God, he says TIGERESS.
Sorry for taking you late. I'm just trying to get it.
Where is your wife?
Oh, she'll soon join us. She'll be here in a jiffy.
Let her not put on anything. No. It's a wedding ceremony that we are doing.
Mother, I thought you all agreed to allow her to dress the way she likes. It's okay.
Honestly, I won't lie to you. It will take me time to adjust to that.
I know, but leave her to dress the way she likes, please.
Yes. In no distant time, you will sure adjust to that. You see that girl? She is a wonderful material for matrimony. The next minute you think she cannot cook very well. And the other minute, she is presenting a delicacy. You saw the delicacy she presented this morning.
Father, have you seen her sweep before? She sweeps so good. I mean, her parents trained her so good. I love her already. Don't worry.
Anyway, I won't lie. I was shocked when I heard that she was the one that cooked that meal. It was so sumptuous and awesome. It's good. It was nice.
Anyway, talking about fashion style, let me present to you people my very beautiful wife in a way you have not seen her before.
Before?
Neka.
Here she comes.
Oh my God! This is what I'm talking about. Look at you! Is this you? What?
Oh, no, come here, hug me. No. You look so good.
Okay. Is this really you? As in, are you sure you are the one?
My queen, do you like what you're seeing?
Not like. I love what I am seeing. I love everything about you. Come on, give me a hug.
I'm
the next queen. The next queen. I love you.
My daughter.
Hey.
Come. Indeed, I am proud of you.
Thank you, my father.
You're welcome to my kingdom.
What?
Okay, everyone.
She's my wife.
Come. No.
The cars are waiting.
Give
Shall
me
we?
your hand, please.
Wait, she's our wife. My wife.
Wait.
What, mother?
You will only marry her inside the bedroom. This is my wife now.
Our wife. Which is your wife?
It's my wife.
You only marry her. You only marry her. She's our wife.
She's our wife. Oh my God.
I'm happy at last.
Yes, me too.